Have you ever heard of pineapple and broccoli juice? The idea of mixing fruits and vegetables to make juice sounds weird at first, doesn't it? But the truth is that pineapple and broccoli juice is a great homemade medicine to fight fatigue, especially to recover energy during the day after intense physical or mental activities. Did you know that? Every day we are more overloaded with our daily chores, not to mention that bad eating habits, an issue that works side by side with the lack of time, are common nowadays, and that's why we feel so tired at the end of the day. The secret to ending this feeling of exhaustion is to combine good habits such as having a good diet, a routine, good sleep habits, reading and exercising. Even though many times we do need the help of professionals in traditional medicine, some natural alternatives may be helpful against these symptoms. One of them is the pineapple and broccoli juice. Broccoli is rich in iron and vitamin B5, which helps the body recover the energy spent. It also brings many benefits to health, helping even prevent some kinds of cancer and also premature aging. Pineapple has vitamins A and C, magnesium, and many other minerals that are essential to the good functioning of our body. Do you want to learn how to make this juice? Write down the ingredients: 2 glasses of natural pineapple juice, 8 small broccoli florets. Wash the broccoli florets and add them with the pineapple juice in a blender. Mix it well and your juice is ready. If even after drinking this juice and improving your habits, your fatigue persists, talk to a doctor so they can run the necessary tests and suggest the best treatment for your case. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.